Hi everyone, my name is Krishna. I am the physics lecturer. Okay, so today hereafter regularly I am posting my videos in physics videos 11th and 12th. Okay, 11th, 12th CBSE syllabus. So my videos are very useful for 11th and 12th students who they are preparing CBSE board exams and same Andhra Pradesh and Telangana students also very useful in my videos. So all my what I am posting all videos are very free only. Please use this opportunity and utilize properly in my videos. Okay, so my dear students, first I am starting the 11th class syllabus. So first year syllabus I am starting. So in our first year, first chapter is the physical world chapter. Okay, 11th portion, first chapter is physical world. So first chapter is physical world chapter. So in this chapter, mainly we are studying what is science and what is physics, what is the importance of physics in our daily life. So how to use the physics, growing of the technology. Okay, so these applications, all applications we are studying in this chapter. So complete about the science we are studying here. Okay, so we are going to the our topic, physical world. So actually physics is a branch of science. Physics is a branch of science. Okay, science means we are discussing complete science means biology, zoology, chemistry. Okay, so and physics. So these all are the science. So in that science, physics is one of the branch. Okay, later we are discussing. First I explain science. So my dear students, what is the science? So science is a gaining of knowledge. Actually science word is deriving from the Latin word scientia. Okay, so actually science is deriving from the Latin. So in Latin language, science is the scientia. Scientia meaning gain of knowledge. Okay, or to know. Okay, gain of knowledge or to know. Okay, so science is, what is that? Gain of knowledge. Okay, what is the science? Science is the gain of knowledge. Okay, to experiments. How we can gain knowledge? So we are doing some experiments, practical experiments and theoretical values and observations. Okay, in this process we are gaining the knowledge. Okay, so science. So science we are studying means all living things and non-living things, all observable things and all non-observable things. So non-observable things means planets, universal study. Observable things means, so like now I am using mobile, so I am taking a video. So this is observable thing. Marker, I am observing in front of my eyes. This is observable thing. This is the science. Okay. In this observable things again, so many types is there. So macro and micro. So macro observable things and micro observable things. So micro observable things we are observing only with the help of the microscope only. Okay, macroscopic things are all are the observable things. What we are observing in our human eye, that is the macroscopic. Okay, little bit big objects. Okay, science C is the gain of knowledge. That gain of knowledge is, okay, we are doing practicals, we are asking questions, observe the nature, Okay, we are doing some experiments. So in this process, we are learning something, we are gaining knowledge. So that is a science. Okay, so next one is the physics. So what is the physics? Physics is branch of science. Physics is branch of science. It deals with nature and physical properties of matter. Nature and physical properties of matter. Okay, so what is the nature? What are the physical properties of matter? So what is the nature? So nature means regularly day and night. Okay, so day and night. So this we are not creating, no. So day and night. Okay, so cyclic seasons. Okay, one of the greatest excitement application is the rainbow. Okay, and lightning. Okay, and one more excitement is the, what is that? So planets are revolving around the sun. Planets revolving around the sun. Okay, so these all are the nature only giving the gift. We are not we are not making artificially. So all yes, learning about the day and night, cyclic seasons, rainbow, lighting, planets are revolving around the sun, and sub-planets, satellites are revolving around the moon, means earth. Moon is revolving around the earth. So that is also nature. We are not creating that one. And what are the physical properties? Physically we are touching, we are feeling, we are observing that thing, that is the object, physical object. In that physical object space, here we are studying, okay, heat and electric current, okay, motion of the objects and power, okay, and here optical studying. Okay, these all are physically we are observing. All are the physical properties. Okay, so what is the physics? Physics is a branch of the science, okay, that deals with the nature and physical properties of matter. Okay, so nature means regular day and night, cyclic seasons, rainbow, lightning, okay, and planets are revolving around the sun, okay, eclipse is forming, so, and we are observing the stars in the sky. All are the nature only. So, and studying the physical properties also, okay. So this is the physics, okay. Actually physics is the English word. This English word we are using the very late in 18th century, okay. Actually generally physics meaning is natural philosophy. Before 18th century, physics what is the natural philosophy. Okay, many number of scientists, okay, now many number of scientists, physics scientists are only philosophers only. Okay, so who is philosophical mind is having, that person having more physical knowledge, more knowledge in physics. One of the famous scientists, he said, who is understand his future, who is understand his future, he is clearly understand the physics. Okay, so yes, that is the true. What he said, that philosopher, that is the true. Okay, who is studying, who is observing his future, estimating his future, he is only observing the physics. So because physics case, we are taking the assumptions. Okay, object is not there here, but we are feeling in front of me only having that object. Any device is not there here, but we are feeling that device with me only having. We are only operating that device. Like that we are feeling means easily we can understand the physics. Okay, and physics word we are using in late 18th century. Before that, physics meaning is the natural philosophy. Okay, natural philosophy, because we are not creating anything. Okay, so for suppose everything in this universe, everything is filling with the physics only. I am talking to you because of physics. You are hearing my voice because of physics. You are seeing my videos because of physics. I am taking here video, that is because of physics. Okay, I am walking here one place to another place because of physics. I am talking to you, I am writing on board, that is also because of physics. Whatever it may be, whatever we can do in that process, definitely physics is having. So in the entire universe, physics is there. So physics is applicable. That's why physics is the king of the science. Okay, and physics, one more word is a Sanskrit word is the bhautiki. Physics Sanskrit word is bhautiki. Okay, and Arabic word is ilm. Physics Sanskrit word is bhautiki and Arabic word is the ilm. Okay, so this meaning is the to know. This meaning is the to know physical objects. Okay, this is about introduction in the physical world. So next part 2 we are discussing the remaining physical world topics.